Stop waiting for a flash of genius. The most innovative people don't rely on luck. They have a system, a personal innovation playbook. And in the next 90 seconds, I want to show you how to build your own. Your playbook has 4 components. First, curate your idea diet. Choose 3 diverse sources of inspiration that you can engage with weekly. Not just business news, perhaps a walk through a marketplace or a podcast about art. Second, schedule Alchemy Time. Block 90 minutes a week with one task. Connect the dots from your idea diet. Ask, how does this apply to my big challenge? Third, define your test kitchen. This is a low-stakes project or team where you can run small, cheap experiments. No experiment should take more than 1 week. And then fourth, conduct a monthly retro. Review what you've tried, what worked, and then codify one rule into your playbook. This turns sporadic insights into repeatable processes. Consistent small acts of innovation will outperform random moments of genius every single time. So what's one thing that you can add to your idea diet this week?
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.